Up first, police are yet to identify a motive for a mass shooting on Donmair Close, Red Hills, St. Andrew early this morning. A man is dead and 8 others injured after gunmen attacked a group playing games on a street side. The Member of Parliament is pleading for no reprisals. Gunmen trekked through this narrow path shortly after midnight Saturday to carry out a mass shooting here. 9 people who were gathered outside this shop were shot. 1 died.
They were playing games on the street corner. It's a usual thing that they do on a Friday when it's reported that a group of gunmen went there and fired at the group of persons. At the end of the shooting, some 9 persons received gunshot wounds. 1 person succumbed to the injuries. The other 8 are currently being treated at hospital.
Carl Samuda is the Member of Parliament.
Very sad and very tragic that we were invaded by a set of people who obviously had inside information as to how to come in here and how to escape from here.
The dead man has been identified as 32-year-old Sanjay Cousins of Ambrook Lane. Senior Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay says detectives are still trying to establish a motive.
The investigators are not yet sure what was the motivation behind the attack. They are following several lines of inquiries. It is early to see what the motive is.
But already, Mr. Samuda, who has been the MP for more than 40 years, insists there will be no reprisal.
We don't have room in this community to harbor negative thoughts. We don't have room in this community for things like reprisals and fighting and gang warfare, nothing of that kind. We don't have no room for that.